Good morning, dear children. In previous two classes, I had taken revision of lesson 1, Life of the Green World. Today, in this class, I am going to take a revision of lesson number 2, Food, Health and Hygiene. Children, Aparna ma'am has already explained you this chapter, and she has given question answers and exercises of this lesson. So you all must have learned it. Children, today I am going to take a quick recap of two subtopics from this lesson: components of food and importance of balanced diet. So let us start. Children, you all know that food is very important for us. Food is needed for the development and growth of our body. Food gives us energy to do various kind of work, and food makes us healthy and fit. Okay? Children, we are getting food from different sources, animals and plants. The food item that we are getting from animals are fish, chicken, mutton. And the food that we are getting from the plants are cereal, nuts, vegetables, fruits, etc. Children, these food items contains different types of nutrients. So, nutrients are a substance which is essential for maintaining life and for growth. Children, nutrients that are present in different food are grouped as carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals. These are also known as components of food. So let us learn one by one. Children, carbohydrate is known as energy giving food. It gives us quick energy. The young children who play a lot and the people who do lot of physical labor need carbohydrates. Children, sources of carbohydrates are cereal, pulses, potato, honey, corn and wheat. Next type of food nutrient is fat. Children, fat is also known as energy giving food. Children, it gives more energy than carbohydrate, and we should not take excess fat in the diet because it is harmful for our body. Children, excess fat make our body obese. If we eat this kind of food regularly, we become fat. So we should avoid fat. Component of fats are oil, ghee, butter, cheese and cream. Now third type of food is protein. Children, protein is known as bodybuilding food and it repairs the damaged tissues and cells. Growing children and old people need more of the protein. Children, sources of the protein are meat, fish, eggs, cheese and milk. Milk is a good source of protein. Children, beside protein, the milk contains other nutrients like carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, fat. So this is considered as complete food. And sources of protein are meat, fish, egg and cheese. I have told you earlier. Now the next nutrient is vitamin. Children, vitamin is needed in a small amount and it protects our body from diseases. Some vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. And deficiency of these vitamins causes diseases. Like vitamin A, deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi, scaly leaves and weak muscles. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy, and deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Children, next nutrients of the food is mineral. Children, minerals are also required in our body in very small quantity. These are required for strong bones, teeth, muscles and heart. Children, it is present in greeny leafy vegetable, fruit, nut, egg, salt, milk, etc. Few minerals are iron, iodine and calcium. And iron helps in the formation of blood, and it is found in green leafy vegetables like spinach, beetroot and carrot. Iodine helps to regulate growth and development. It is found in seafoods, iodized salt and dairy products. And calcium is important for healthy bones and teeth, and it is found in milk, curd, legumes and almonds. Legumes, फली वाली सब्जियाँ, right? Now, beside these nutrients, our body also need water and roughage. Children, as you all know that we should plenty of water. Why? Because water removes toxic substances from our body in the form of sweat and urine. Water helps in digestion, and water also maintains temperature of our body. Children, we should drink plenty of water, and a human adult should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Okay. Now next is roughage. Roughage is a fiber that present in plant food. Children, it removes undigested food. The sources of roughage are raw salad, corn, cabbage, etc. Now children, balanced diet. Diet is a meal that a person eats every day. So we should eat balanced diet. Balanced diet means when we include these components of food in right quantity, then the diet is known as balanced diet. Children, balanced diet keeps our body healthy and help us to grow. Children, it also helps the organs to function accurately. So, we should take balanced diet. Children, in our diet, we should include cereal, pulses, vegetables, fruits and milk product every day. Okay? Children, hope you all have understood this chapter. So read this lesson once again and learn the question answer that ma'am has given to you. Thank you and have a nice day.